everyone, it's Vlogmas day 4 and I'm here at my office, and you're probably wondering, like, what is this massive mess? It's my office. This is a massive storage center and like a brain for Blue Ribbon Realty, which is the brokerage that I own. I have my board with all my notes and things that are going on over here. All my clients looking for things, what they're looking for, things have closed. Signs are over here. My desk is behind me. Things I need to put up, open house signs. I have got a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. Big box off to the side over here. And these are all things I need to go through. And then down here, there is, I feel like a weatherman, down here is a box of files that probably need to be shredded. End of the year, we have lots of paperwork, and my goal this year, before 2026 begins, is to get through all of this and get it organized and appropriated and just make it a nice environment. I'm an efficient working machine, and I am also an artist, and artists make messes. I got in the mail something I wanted to share with you. It's a thank you card from one of my past clients. We did a client appreciation event for Thanksgiving, and I gave away a lot of pies, and I do it often for Thanksgiving if I'm in town or not in surgery and or recovering from surgery. I give away pies to past clients, referral partners, and it's a great way to keep in touch with the people that refer business to you. So this was a past client. Her aunt passed away, and she contacted me, and she found me through one of her other relatives who used me to buy a piece of property. And so this was a couple of years ago. I helped her with her transaction, and we listed her aunt's house for sale after her aunt passed away, and I dealt with the attorney and everything like that. And it was, "Dear Lisa, thank you for gifting us with the most delicious pie for our Thanksgiving dessert. We really appreciate your thoughtfulness. As Christmas is fast approaching, our gift to you is our wish for holiday blessings and all good things in the new year. Happy holidays." And then Corinne and Jack. So sweet. This is the stuff that makes me feel whole. It really does. So I'm just working today. I need to start going through things, but sometimes you make a bigger mess when you start going through things, if you didn't know already. And I am disorganized and disheveled, but this is ending. This is ending. I actually have files in here that probably need to be shredded from before I open this brokerage. So we're going to get rid of everything that needs to be shredded. Like, we're going to get rid of everything. If it was from when I was at another company, it would have lied on that other company at this point. So they are getting shredded. And so all of that probably is going to be gone. And I might do a little organization. I know I need to take inventory of my signs that are here and see what I need. And then get some signs cleaned up, because after they're out in and out, and they're like, that open house sign probably needs a really good scrubbing. It looks like it's had some wear from going in and out of cars and sitting outside on sidewalks or in front of yards. So there's a lot going on here, and we're going to get things cleaned up, and we're going to get rid of the things that are beat up and then order new ones. And I want to get a nice big Rubbermaid tote to keep these all organized and in one section. So this is like my goal for the end of the year. And let's see. Oh, I'm wearing a Me Made today. This is Simplicity 1538. I talk about it a lot. I wear it a lot. This is a flannel, and it's a really nice thing. It was supposed to be super cold today, and it's not as cold as they said. They said it was going to be wind chill factor of -20, and we didn't have that so far. But I've got an appointment to get to, and then I pick up my nieces from school. And so I gotta get going, but just want to show you guys around. All right, now that I have had a stocking cap on and off all day today, my hair's all messed up. It's 5 o'clock. I'm finally home. My day is somewhat done. We're having leftovers for dinner. And let me tell you, this meatballs I made were amazing. Spaghetti and meatballs last night. I loved it. This morning I had homemade egg McMuffin, so to speak. I had an English muffin with leftover ham from Thanksgiving, a slice of cheese, and an egg, and it was so good. It is better than than any other McDonald's fast food joint kind of fast sandwich. It was delicious, and I had a cutie or a mandarin orange with it. And then I had leftovers spaghetti for lunch. We're going to have meatball sandwiches for dinner, so that should be a lot of fun. And I did work on the puzzle today. I did not work out today, but I'm going to see if I could get into a swim class tomorrow because I need to get back in the swing of things. And I did some exercising earlier in the week, but the best way is to start doing it more often. I can't wait to get my pajamas on. I'm going to do a little sewing. I haven't decided if I'm going to work on the current project or if I'm going to switch gears and get a little bit of a refresher and do something else like Big J's pajama pants that are already cut out and just waiting over there on the ironing board. A big shout out today to Marjorie. Marjorie is my virtual friend of the day. Marjorie sent me a note on Instagram days ago, and I just saw it today in my messages, and she just wanted to make a pattern suggestion for me for Big Daddy's Christmas party, which I'll talk about in a second, and then also just give me some comforting experience with her regarding one of the videos I posted where I was said I'm really unhappy in my body, uncomfortable in my body. So I appreciate you, Marjorie. Thank you for sharing and reaching out to me. You are my viewer virtual friend of the day. I got to get this terminology right because I'm the one that made it. You're my virtual friend of the day. Big hug to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your comments. When I read that this morning, there was no way I was going to have a bad day today. Like, it was so heartwarming, and it made me feel so full with your comments. And Marjorie suggested a pattern for Big Daddy's Christmas party. And just a heads up, I had an idea I wanted to do like a South Bank for the Christmas party, and I had a few days where I didn't do any sewing or anything, and I kind of was overwhelmed with all the Christmas stuff that I want to make. I made myself a list, wrote down everything I want to make for Christmas presents, and became overwhelmed. And if you couldn't tell in that video, I was overwhelmed in general with my life. So I put the current project, the Alexa blouse, off to the side. It's off to the side over here. I cut out some things that I wanted to make for Christmas. I have to order some fabric for something else I'm going to make for Christmas. And these are presents, so they get top priority. And I had to say, listen, I have plenty of things to wear for Big Daddy's Christmas party, so I'm just going to wear something I've already made. I think I'm going to wear probably a Freya dress that I've already made, and I'm okay with that, or else it'll be a nice sweater and some pants. But I think it's going to be a Freya because it's also going to be a cold, snowy day. I think I'm going to make sure my fleece lined tights fit me, because now that I've gained weight this year, I don't know if my fleece lined tights will fit me or not. If they don't, I need to get some. And I can either go to Target and get some, or I could go on Amazon and I'll see what the delivery times for those are. So I'm not making anything new, but I love the dress that she sent me, and I'm going to add that to my repertoire, and I'm going to get that pattern because it's very nice. And actually what I will do is I will find the link and put it in the description box. It's a French pattern company that I've never heard of before, and I don't want to butcher the name, so it's a very nice dress with a cool detail in the belly area, and I definitely want to make that. So I'll put the link in the description box. We're working hard on the puzzle. Puzzle is like 75% done, I would say at this point, maybe 70% done. And then weather, we were supposed to have super cold weather, negative 20 degrees wind chill, and they say it's still coming, but today it didn't happen. So I wore long johns, I wore my Levi's, I wore flannel that I felt so cozy in, and it didn't get as cold as they said. We'll see what happens. On a side note, I'd like to do a live and make some cookie dough with y'all. I don't know if I should do it tomorrow morning or if I should do it Saturday morning. I think tomorrow morning would probably be nice because I won't have any distractions, no people around, no big daddies walking in and out. But let me know, because actually you could always watch the live later, but I'm thinking I might do that for my my vlog for tomorrow. If not, it'll be on Saturday. But yes, I need to make a batch of cookie dough, and I think something I could easily do and interact with you guys while I'm doing it, because I've made this cookie dough so many times before, but I'll be captive. So if I do that, it'll be in the morning, and I think I'm going to sign off for the day. We are almost done with Vendetta for the Saint. After that, I'm hoping we can start Stranger Things 5. It is exciting because I've been waiting and waiting, and we went to Target today. My niece and I went to Target, and I saw like a huge display of Stranger Things items, and I have not been to Target in months. And I saw a Hellfire shirt, and I was like, oh, I want that Hellfire Club shirt. I thought they also had them at Walmart too. I'm sure they have them everywhere. I'm sure you can buy them online, but it might be something I get my nieces for Christmas, and maybe even myself. We'll see. I think that's all I'm going to do today. So today's a quick vlog, but I want to get my jammies on and then do some sewing. And yep, I think the next couple of days though will be a little bit more exciting and interesting. But this is my 4th day in, and I've been doing it, so I'm proud of myself. You guys have a great day. I hope you do something creative wherever you are in the world, and I will keep on doing Vlogmas. Thanks. Bye-bye.